This is evaluation question number 4. During the construction and research and planning phases, I used various new technologies such as Facebook and Skype and YouTube. This is because when planning to design a website, you can't just go and draw up a website and then create it and stick it on the web. You need to know what people are after, you need to know what they're looking for, what would grab their attention. The typical conventional film website, advertising a film, would be different from the structure and style of a newspaper website, for example. Now, the reason I used YouTube is because I could watch various tutorials and videos in order to gain an understanding in the softwares that I would be using in order to produce my website. The software that I was using is called Dreamweaver. Dreamweaver is a highly sophisticated piece of software capable of developing websites and achieving anything you ask it to, providing you insert the information into what are called sentences. Dreamweaver works based on HTML coding and numbers. The two main files that I was using on Dreamweaver were called the index file and the css.css file. And this, of course, is where you type all the information in order to see the visual of your website in the published image online. Facebook is another new media I used in the research and planning phase in order to ask people various questions on what they would like to see from this website, what they'd like to get out of it. A questionnaire asking them questions about their interests, favourite genres, what they thought of noir, what they thought a noir genre-based website should look like, etc. Merrin's Web 2.0 comes into this, the whole communication idea over the internet. How YouTube is someone else making a video and then relaying the information to the person watching it. Facebook is just the same thing. People can make comments and I can use that information and then produce a website based around what they would like. It has to be engaging and it has to look right. It has to show the typical conventions. So if it's a noir based film website, a trailer on the website advertising the film coming out, you've got to have black and white colours for the 1950s noir period and perhaps a bit of red that stands out. You're going to need pictures of the characters, you're going to need to show off their attire, you're going to need to, it's all got to be included. You need to have the story, the plot. I had links to the Twitter and Facebook page. But new media all helps out with this. Without using new media such as YouTube and just surfing the internet and looking at various other trailer sites, I wouldn't have known that they had links to Twitter pages for that trailer or Facebook. So that was looking at new media during the construction, research and planning phase.